Okay. Hello. Welcome to another interesting shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington. Let's quickly get started. I'm looking at this two-piece set. Yeah, good set. This feels good. Uh, the fabric feels good. It's not lined. I don't expect it to. Burlington, I don't know why their pieces hardly comes with. And they are priced together. Yeah, they are priced together. 29.99 cents. Yeah, it's a good set and it feels heavy. The material feels heavy. Okay, you will be good with that, though it's not lined. Look what we got here. Midi dress, and this one is $16.99. It's available here in size small and extra large. Here we have another two-piece set sleeveless. Yeah. Okay. And this one is 29.99 cents. It's available in different colors. They are different sizes, same price. And we have this one similar style. Their fabric feels so thick. 24.99 cents. So good. And I'm loving this sleeveless black top for just $5.99. Yeah, you heard me right. Yeah, it's $5.99. Okay, this is another two-piece set. Okay, this is a two-piece set. It's light for $19.99. Here we have another one, Ellen Tracy. Yeah, it's sleeveless. No, this is short sleeves. The pant is super wide. Look what I'm seeing. And this one is $34.99. The quality is good. I love it. Yeah, it's good. And here we have this one, two-piece set as well. And this one is $24.99. Here we have another two-piece set, sleeveless. Lots of sleeveless sets here today. And this is priced together for $19.99. Look what we have here. It's actually short and the top is lined. It seems like, yeah, it's not lined. It's not lined, okay? And here we have these sweat skirts. Yeah, the quality looks good. By this brand. And this one is $12.99. This is actually the front. Okay. With the slits at the front. Let me just see. Two slits at the front. This is cool. Two slits at the front. And different sizes as well. Here we have this one. Look over. Yeah, so good. For $12.99. Interesting. Here we have this sleeveless sweater. So good. It looks thick. If you are looking for something like this for cold season, this is good. $12.99. It's new in the store. All these are hot in the store, newest pieces in the store. Look at this. I love this style. Okay, you have something inside, right? Throw this on, you just tie it here, and this is $16.99. So cool. I love it. And here is this blazer. Let me show you. Look, this feels so thick. Okay, and this is $24.99. Yeah, it feels thick. It's not lined. However, it's thick. It's available in different sizes, same price. Okay. And here we have the skirts. The skirt is very light for 9.99. Okay. Yeah, the fabric feels so soft. Look what we got here. I'm looking at this. Yeah, silk and looks very beautiful. This is 24.99 cents. The quality is excellent. It's out of this world. I'm trying to grab who made this. Who made this? Who made this? Who made this? Okay, I don't know. Who made this? The brand is not on this. Okay, look at this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me take you to another section. Hello, hello, hello. I'm back again. I'm at Burlington. Love this tote bag. Let me see. Okay. Store price for this is 44. Yeah. I love this. This will be perfect for traveling my cockers. It's big enough for 125. And this, oh my god, this is so unique. Let me show you. By DKNY. See. Yeah. Velvet. And this one is $49.99. And this is on sale. Look what we got here by CK. Yeah, I love the structure. DKNY. Yeah, they are doing it right. With handbags, $49.99. And let's see. This is by CK. Lavender. Shoulder bag. $59.99. And this is another one. My West. They have started. I don't know. I said it is underrated. Yeah, I think they are beginning to connect to what I say. My West, they make good bags. Yeah, they make good bags. Okay, this one is $29.99. I love it. It's still very affordable. And here we have more black bags here. Down here is this tote bag, Studio Collection, just $19.99. Interesting, I love the fabric. And here is the structured bag for $17.99 with this tassel. And here we have this one. Look at that. For $24.99. Up here is another structured bag. I love how structured this bag is. And $19.99, you can never go wrong with this. It's classic, $19.99. Yeah, this brand, they make very good. They make good bags at affordable rates. And more bags here. Okay. Yeah, let's see what they have here. They have more black bags here. Look, this is by Tommy Hilfiger. And this one is $27.99. I love this type of fabric. Yeah, you don't need to worry about rain. And it's DKNY. Okay. And this bag is $42.99. It came with, look at that. 2-in-1. I'm looking at something here. I'll come back to that. Here we have more black bags here. These are perfect for traveling. Good black bags. And this one is $49.99. Here we have this one by Nightwear. Very soon Nightwear will start being expensive. They started, putting it here. I don't know. $29.99. Interesting. Down here is this pillow bag by DKNY. Okay, let's check what they have as well. Okay, to shoe section, let's see what they have here. I am seeing lots of new shoes here. Let's take a look at these ankle boots. I ordered 3 shoes bought yesterday online. Look at this. This is so cool. It's classic. And this one is $24.99. Interesting. And we have another one here. Got this weird one. And this one is $19.99. Yeah, they have affordable shoes. This is $19.99 as well. Yep. Up here is this mid-rise. Okay, the leather looks so good. The price, let's see if we can grab it. Store price is not on this. This is cool. Okay, and down here we have this weird ankle one. Look, this is $22.99. Yeah, it's new in the store. And let's see, more shoes here. Look what I'm looking at here. This is so cool. Reebok, white teach friendly, $32.99. Interesting. Okay, this is $14.99. And this one, Meringo, for $14.99. Okay, this got my attention. Let's see. Let's see. Look. Look at this. Yeah. For $9.99. I know we are going to see lots of, loafers this year. However, this platform is something. This is $9.99. Yeah, I don't like it. That's not my style anyway. If you like it, it's available in the store, Burlington. Okay. Alright, I'll end this video here if you made it to this point. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video to others. And until next time, bye for now.